The Secret Life of Pets 2. This is the Happy Meal toys for June 2019 for McDonald's here in the Philippines. My name is Mao, this is Unbox Everything. Today we're going to be checking out these toys, giving you a closer look to show you if you should pick these up for yourself, one of them, two of them, or maybe all of them. So we're going to get into that right now. But super quick before we do that, just take a look at the box and appreciate that McDonald's has a brand new box. They don't usually do that, but they do for this movie, so that is super cool. Let's get into the unboxing. Alright, here are 5 of the toys. There are 10 to collect. I got 5 of the ones that I think might be the most popular ones. We'll be checking those out, and then I'll show you what are the other 5 that you can pick up in the set to complete it all so that you can see it as well. So let's begin with this one. This is Wheelin' Norman. Here is Wheelin' Norman. So he's the hamster and he comes in this hamster wheel. The wheel can spin like that. So what you're supposed to do is put him on a table and then just push it, and he rolls like that while, you know, the hamster stays in place, but the wheel, there we go. Really simple. That is Wheelin' Norman. Up next, let's get, this is Daisy to the rescue. Here is Daisy. Not sure what this character is in the movie. I'm not sure if she was in the first movie, but yeah, because I haven't seen the sequel yet. But here she is. She's on a skateboard, and what she does is that if you turn the, I don't know, ponytail thing, the wheels, front wheels turn so that you can make the skateboard turn when you push it. So you just kind of push the skateboard like that, and then if you want it to turn, just kind of turn the ponytail, and then you know it's gonna turn. So that is Daisy to the rescue. Next up, we've got Groovy Gidget. Here is Gidget. I remember Gidget from the first movie, even from the trailer. So Gidget is one of the main characters, and I believe she's riding like a vacuum cleaner, one of those robot vacuum cleaners. So it's got a pullback action, I believe. So pull back and then, whoa, okay, that fell off. Alright, so basically you pull it back, and it's supposed to not just go in a straight line, but it's also gonna, what do you call that motion? Wavy motion, whatever. So let's try that again. Okay, yeah, that didn't work too well, but, so sometimes it turns, sometimes it just kind of goes straight, but not sure how to work that. But anyway, that's Gidget. Sometimes it goes straight, sometimes it goes wavy. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Next up, we are gonna go with Captain Snowball. Here is Captain Snowball, which is the rabbit, the bunny. I remember also from the first movie, and now he is a sort of dressed like a superhero. Got the cape, the mask, and all, and then there's wheels at the bottom, and this string tied to him. And what it does is, okay, so what it is that you're gonna place this down on the table. You're gonna put your finger like this, and then you're just gonna move your finger around like that so that it's gonna spin around. So I'll try it here, and we'll get a better angle later. Oh. Alright, actually that's actually pretty fun. Kids might like that. Anyway, Captain Snowball, that's his name? Captain Snowball, did I get that right? Yeah, Captain Snowball, pretty fun. And the last one, we've got Cohen Bobbler Max. So there is Max, the main character, the main star of Secret Life of Pets, and he's a bobblehead, and he's got this Cohen. It's a translucent plastic, which actually looks really nice. This one's actually really cool. And he comes with this doggy bowl with some bone cracker thingies, dog biscuits in it. And what he does is So what he does is that basically he's just a bobblehead. So that's fun, but the second thing he can do is you put him on the bowl like this, like that, and then he becomes a bobble body like that. So you can put him this way, and that's pretty funny. Kids might find that funny. There, maybe that happens in the movie, I'm not sure. But that is Cohen Bobbler, I got that wrong. Cohen Bobbler Max, right? His name is Max, yeah. So, I really should watch the movie. Anyway, this was really nice. Probably the one that's gonna sell out fastest because he's the main character. Anyway, that is the 5 that I picked up for Secret Life of Pets 2. Here they are. Here's all the 5 of them. If you're interested in seeing the other 5, let me know in the comments below. Maybe I'll pick them up and review them as well. But for now, these are the 5 that I reviewed. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it helpful to help you decide if you want to pick up any of these or all of these. Again, if you're new here to my channel, I do monthly unboxings of Happy Meal toys and other fast food toys. So if you're into that kind of stuff, consider subscribing. If you want to check out last month's Happy Meal toys, you can click or tap the screen right over here. And if you want to see another unboxing video you may enjoy, click right over here. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything. Shh!